Merry freaking Christmas! I literally cannot believe that it's Christmas time already. I feel like it was yesterday where I was sitting down at my old house filming a Christmas haul for you guys, and then poof, boom, it's 2025 now. I'm in my new house and a new setup filming another Christmas haul for you guys. Me saying I'm grateful is just not even enough. Like, my mom and my grandpa go over and above every single year for my siblings and I. Obviously, I'm not trying to brag in any way, and without me talking anymore, let's just get straight into the haul. We have to start off with my stocking. This is what I do every single year. And guys, I have a new stocking. It's an end of an era. My childhood stocking is gone. I'd be lying if I said I didn't shed a little tear. My mom didn't even tell me she was getting rid of it, but this is cute too, so I love her. Starting up strong, I got the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm mini set. These are literally my favorite. Like, they're so good. And she also put in here some Princess Polly bow earrings. I also got a little disposable camera from Kodak. I'm actually gonna use this and develop it this time. So I think I still have 6 or 7 of these from like middle school that I have not developed. And then I was so excited about this. I got the Burberry Goddess and Burberry Her mini perfume set. Like, my mom is so cute. She's just like at the mall, like, and was like, you know what? I'm gonna get Ava this. Love her. I got a $25 Starbucks gift card along with a little Nordstrom gift card. And this one has $50 on it. I got the Clinique Almost lipstick in the shade Black Honey, and this is viral on TikTok. I also got the Way Wave Spray. I had to get a pair of socks. I got these UGG pink ones. I also got these pink ones. And then it wouldn't be a stocking without some candy. So I did already dig into these. These are the C's Candies Dark Chocolate Covered Raisin. If you don't like dark chocolate, then I don't like you. Every single year I get a dark chocolate Santa as well. Oh my gosh, I also got this. Okay, this is a Aritzia keychain. Look how freaking cute it is. Little Aritzia Super Puff keychain. I got Uno Team. Never heard of this, but I can't wait to try it. Oh, and then I also got Hitch hair perfume sampler set. Oh my gosh, forgot about this. I got a little red bunny. Comment down below names. And then lastly, I just got 2 chapsticks. I keep those lips moisturized. Okay, and now we have my grandpa's stocking, which is just in a lovely, cute little bag. We got some hot tamales. He also threw in a mango chili and salt fruit jerky, some Mentos, gum, Reese's lollipops, makeup wipe, and then a bunch of freaking gift cards. So we're just gonna speed run these. All of them are worth $50, by the way. We have Starbucks, Sephora, Target, Lululemon, Chipotle, Chick-fil-A, Amazon, and this one's actually $150, but a Shell gift card, which is just like gas. I also got $300. Thanks, Grandpa. Yeah, he is a great stocking giver. But yeah, that is all I got in my stocking. So now we're gonna move on to actual gift. I'm just gonna kind of go in a random order. So yeah, first off, I got these shoes. These are a pair of Asics, and I've been wanting these for so long. Cute! I am obsessed with these. Yes, please. And then I also got this cute little matcha set. Guys, I think I literally just put a Pinterest link, and I don't know how my mom found it, but I was like, Mom, if there's any way you can find where this is from, please get it for me. And she did. And it came with like the matcha spoon and a whisk. From my brother, he got me this black Urban Outfitters long sleeve, kind of like an off the shoulder flowy type of top, giving yoga mom. Did my brother actually pick it out? Probably not, but like the thought that counts. Not only did I get that black one, I also got it in white and in brown, but the white and brown are from my mom. So you can tell I really like that style of top. Also from my brother, he just got me the Summer Fridays Brown Sugar Lip Balm. Love you, Anderson. Should we go to my sister? I think this is actually like the first year she actually picked me something out, and not just something my mom picked out for my list and then said it was from her. She got me a cute little dual like pencil case vibe, and inside she put this adorable little Christmas mug. Inside the mug we have the Summer Fridays Jet Lag eye patches and a mini Rare Beauty mascara, and inside the other pouch there's just a set of pink pens, which I can't wait to journal with. Not that I actually journal that much, but maybe one day. Let's just move on to some clothes because there's quite a bit. Starting with Urban Outfitters, I got this oversized crew neck. It says New York City at the top. Does it say New York City? Yeah, it does. And I was just in New York City, and I love off-the-shoulder things, if you can't tell. By the way, don't worry, that New York City vlog is still coming. I just take a while to edit long vlogs like that. I also got this sweatshirt from Urban. It's so giving Y2K, adorable. It has butterfly wings and it says only vibes, because for real, it's only vibes on my YouTube channel. You should subscribe. I got this off-the-shoulder top. Is someone like off the shoulder? I wonder. It's polka dots and I am obsessed with it. Imagine a little going out moment. Cute. I got this short sleeve top. So cute. Now this top I wanted so bad on Black Friday. I almost bought it for myself and then it sold out. I got this little cute brown v-neck top. It's kind of an athletic material and it's ribbed, and it's gonna look so cute with some biker shorts on my walks with my new Asics. See, I'm already planning my life out right now. And then I got this little cute Y2K top. Love the little gem details, giving retro cute. I got this camo t-shirt. It's all like pink and girly, and it says Chevrolet, and it has like a pink cute girly Chevrolet sign on it. Like, I think it's pretty cute. And I'm really into camo recently. It's like you guys can't even see me right now. I'm also planning on like cutting the neck of this because like I said, I like off the shoulder to thing. Then I got this basic white v-neck top. I just love a good basic. I tried this on in store too and I like think it fits so flattering and like, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? And the last thing I got from Urban is, hold on, a pair of sweats. These are so cute. I love just like a good big pair of sweatpants that look like they were your dad's from the 90s. These are giving. I mean, I don't really have a dad, but I'm kidding. I have a stepdad and I love him so much. They are from this brand. I don't know what that's called, but they're just a big black wide leg pair of sweats. And they also have like this cinch thing at the bottom so you can make them cuffs. And they just fit so good. And speaking of my stepdad, hold on, I'm gonna go get the gift he got me. Someone tell me if this is AI. Thank you, Dad. Moving on to a few beauty products I got. I got the Rare Beauty mascara in the big size. It's my favorite mascara along with telescopic. I just love her. I also had to get a restock of the Glossier You perfume. This is literally gotta be my favorite scent because it smells different from everybody and I get the most compliments when I wear that. No, I love the Burberry Goddess as well. I was happy when I got the freaking minis, but I also got the big size. I got the Refi lip gloss. It has a metal applicator which just makes it feel so bougie when you put it on, and not only that, formula is like bomb. My grandpa's girlfriend Liz got me a $50 Amazon gift card. Thank you to her. My aunt and uncle on my dad's side, they did like a trick present, so I thought they just got me a bag of Twix, but underneath there was a $50 Nordstrom gift card. Guys, Nordstrom is probably my favorite store along with Urban, and Twix is my favorite candy, so you know I'm grateful. From my grandparents on my dad's side, my dad is Chinese in case you didn't know, so if you are Asian you would know what lucky money is, and they gave me $120. Bless their soul. Back to clothes, so we're gonna do some Princess Polly. Yeah, I also really like Princess. I don't know if I could say I have a favorite store now. I just kind of like clothes in general. First thing I got is this adorable pink dress. I think this will be so cute when I'm tan and just like a perfect church dress. I then got this super cute brown baby doll tank, and look at the lace details. Next up I got a set. So here are the shorts. They're like a brown and pink stripe. And then with the top, like I feel like I could dress it up or dress it down and just like put it over a swimsuit, but it's a high neck and I literally love it. Speaking of swimsuit, I got a swimsuit. This is from Ismay Swim and I love this freaking swimsuit. Like I was so excited when I got it. It's just a basic triangle top. Look at the beading and the bottoms, string bottoms, again with the beading. So pretty. It also has a little scrunch in the butt. From Addicted, I got 2 items. First thing is this maroon tank top, again with the lace detail and the cutout center. I think it's so adorable. Then I got these track shorts, which I like everyone and their mother has, but I've been wanting them for so long. Here's a random gift I'll show. I got this cool light up heart angel wing sign. In my old room I had a collage wall of some sort and I had like signs up like this, so I think I could like put this on my wall somewhere. From Aritzia, I got a sweat set. And I've been wanting to add to my sweat set collection because genuinely when you put a sweat set on, you look more put together. Like there's nothing you can say about it, you just do. So I got this cool pink color. And these are the wide leg barrel sweatpants, which I actually haven't tried before. I think these will look really cute on. And I got the matching hoodie. This is in the mega fit. It actually looks oversized. And then I got this sweatshirt. It's this New Balance hoodie, quite literally from the New Balance store, but it's the perfect oversized fit and it looks like it would like come from your boyfriend's closet, and it's like, I don't know, I don't have a boyfriend, kill myself. Oh, I got an Owala water bottle. It has like a handle. This will be good for like workout classes because I can just like hold on to it. Speaking of workouts, I got the best disinfectant for my face after workouts, which is the Tower 28 SOS spray, and you just spray it on your face after a workout. It kills all acne causing bacteria, so I swear this is a lifesaver and you need it if you don't have it. The last beauty product I got is another lip gloss. It's from the brand Heather Ray, which is a brand my mom really likes, honestly. I've never heard of it. It's just like a small business and it looks like this. Color looks so pretty. Here's what the applicator looks like. Can't wait to try it. I got a robe. I love Jerv Avenue robe. Look at the detailing of the hibiscus flowers. I love the color. She's cozy. I'm gonna take an everything shower tonight and get straight into this. Like I love a good robe. From the Gap, my mom got me this like Sherpa crew neck. It's so oversized and the heart and the A. And I also got this sweater that says the Gap on it, but honestly when I asked for it on my list I thought it was a crew neck, so it will be probably. We have 2 more things from Free People Movement to be exact. I got this like light pink mock neck. This is so thick and good quality. It has pockets. Like I am so obsessed with this and so excited to wear it. The last thing I got is another mock neck and I literally wanted this for so long. It just says Free People Movement on it. Hopefully I don't stain it with my makeup because it is white, but I love it. I didn't even know it was a set, but it came with matching shorts. Shorts match the lettering, so I think it would be really cute to just wear cute biker shorts or something with it when it gets warmer. Yeah, that's everything I got for Christmas this year. Again, I'm so thankful. I love you guys and I'll see you next year.